Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install DBeaver Community Edition on RHEL 10. Then we will connect MySQL and PostgreSQL Server. Okay, first open any web browser. Then go to DBeaver official website, that is dbeaver.io. Hit enter. See, DBeaver Community is a free cross-platform database tool for developers, administrators, analysts and everyone working with data. Okay, so see here we have two versions, DBeaver Community and Pro. I am going to install DBeaver Community. Okay, click on download. See, this is the latest version, that is 25. Okay, so for RHEL we have to select this RPM package. So click on it. Wait a moment. Download started and its size is 125 megabytes. Okay, this will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. See here we have the DBeaver RPM package. We have to install it. Sudo rpm -ivh, then give DBeaver, give db, can give the tab to autofill entire RPM package name and hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. We have successfully installed. Go to show applications. See here we have the DBeaver CE. CE means Community Edition. Click on it. Close this one. I don't want sample databases. Now click on this plus button. Then select the MySQL. Then click on next. Then provide the server host name. I am giving localhost, or you can give the host name of the MySQL server where you installed. Then port number is 3306. Provide the database name. I have database bank. Username root. Then provide the password of root account, and then if you want to save the password, click on select the checkbox. Then click on test connection. See, download MySQL driver files, because driver files are missing. So click on download. See, this is the expected error. So click on OK. Then go to driver properties. Then click on this property. See, it is by default false, so select it, change it to true. Then click on test connection. This time we will be able to connect. See, we have successfully connected. Click on OK, click on finish. Expand this connection. Expand databases. See here we have the databases. We go to users. See here, these are the users. Okay, if you want to run queries against this database, right click, then SQL editor, then open SQL console. Now run the queries. I have a table. Select star from customer. If you want to install MySQL on RHEL 9, search for my YouTube channel how to install on RHEL 10. Okay, execute this query. See, this is the data available in this table. Okay, even if you want to verify the version of the MySQL, select version, then run the query, execute the query. See, we have connected to MySQL Server 8.0.42. Okay, if you want to disconnect, right click on the connection, right click on the connection, then select disconnect, then delete the connection, click on yes, close this query window. Okay, now we will see how to connect to PostgreSQL. Click on the again this plus button, then select the PostgreSQL, then click on next. See, PostgreSQL is also installed, this one. Port number is 5432. Database Postgres. Then select this checkbox, that is show all databases. Username is Postgres. Then provide the password of this user. Then click on test connection. See here again driver files are missing, so click on download. See, successfully made the connection to PostgreSQL server. This is the version. Click on OK. Click on finish. Now expand this connection. Expand databases. See here these databases are there. Right click, then SQL editor, then open SQL console. Now we can run the queries. Verify the version of the PostgreSQL that we have connected. Select version, select the query and click on execute. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server 17.5 on RHEL. Okay, if you want to create database, right click and select the create new database. Okay, and if you want to go to schemas, public schema, then tables. See here we have one table. If you want to create table, right click on create new table. Okay, if you want to get the data from this table. Select star from customer, select the query and click on execute. See, you got the data. Okay. Same way, if you want to disconnect, right click, then select disconnect. Close this query window, delete this connection, click on S. Okay. So ls, this file is not required anymore because we have successfully installed. rm, give that, hit enter, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install DBeaver on RHEL 10. Then we have seen how to connect PostgreSQL and MySQL from the DBeaver. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.